If you're looking to build a content calendar with AI brainstorming, you're in the right place. This quick 3-minute tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step, using the most effective strategies for efficiency and creativity. First, let's talk about why AI is a game changer for creating a content calendar. It helps you organize ideas faster, spot trends you might miss, and even generate unique topics that resonate with your audience. So let's dive in. The first step is to get clear on your goals. Whether you're working on a monthly, weekly, or daily content calendar, you need to know what you want to achieve. Are you focused on increasing engagement, growing your audience, or pushing sales? Defining your goals will ensure that your content is strategic and aligned with your objectives. Next, you'll want to brainstorm content ideas using AI. This software will allow you to input some initial topics or keywords, and then the AI will suggest hundreds of variations and related ideas. You can tailor the suggestions to fit your niche or audience, helping you come up with new, innovative content that might not have been on your radar. This is the secret to keeping your content fresh and engaging over time. Now that you've got your ideas, it's time to organize them into a calendar. Using AI can help you map out when each piece of content should be published based on your audience's peak times. The software can even analyze past performance to predict the best days and times to post your content, maximizing your reach. One of the biggest advantages here is automation. With AI, you can set reminders, automate certain posts, and even track engagement metrics all in one place. This saves you time, so you can focus on creating more content instead of managing your calendar. Once your content calendar is ready, go back through the AI-generated ideas and prioritize them. Not everything will be suitable for your calendar, so it's important to refine the list. Choose ideas that support your brand message and your goals. AI will give you lots of inspiration, but the final decision on what to publish should always align with your strategy. Here's a quick pro tip. Use AI to find gaps in your content. Look for areas where you haven't posted recently or where you could cover a topic in more depth. AI can help you identify these opportunities and fill them in without the guesswork. By using AI to build your content calendar, you're not just planning ahead, you're planning smart. You'll get fresh, innovative ideas, a well-organized calendar, and a streamlined process that saves you time and effort. If you want to try the software we use to build this content calendar, I've got an exclusive free trial available just for viewers of my channel. Check the description below for access. Key takeaway: building a content calendar with AI brainstorming will help you save time, boost creativity, and improve your overall content strategy. By defining your goals, generating ideas, and automating tasks, you can take your content game to the next level. To recap, start by clarifying your content goals, use AI to brainstorm unique ideas, organize your calendar, and automate tasks to maximize efficiency. And don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.